It was about 100 years ago that Suzuki began manufacturing looms as our founding business. It has now been almost 70 years since we launched our first mini vehicle, Suzu Light, in 1955. Based on our corporate policy to develop products of superior value by focusing on the customer, we have contributed to the greater comfort and prosperity of people throughout the world by providing them with a means to get around. Alto became the stepping stone for Suzuki to make its mark in Japan as well as the world. Wagon R pioneered a new genre of wagon-style K mini vehicles. Jimny combined off-road performance with everyday usability to create a unique style of its own. We have manufactured many other products by focusing our technologies in compact cars, including Swift, which has won high appraisal throughout the world. We will continue leveraging our innovative technologies to provide customers with products that combine beautiful designs with user-friendliness. Let's take a look now at how Suzuki's automobiles, loved by many customers throughout Japan and the world, are made. The development of an automobile begins with product planning to shape the overall image by deciding its concept and specifications. This is followed by the process of styling design. Then the concept behind the car is realized through designing, while its driving performance and durability are checked through testing. These three processes in the development of automobiles in Japan are divided among the 5 development centers of the head office, Yokohama R&D Center, Sagara Proving Ground, Ryuyo Proving Ground, and Shimokawa Proving Ground, with each playing different roles. The first step in the development of Suzuki's automobiles is product planning. Customer needs are analyzed in detail through market research, and the product concept is decided upon examination from multiple perspectives. After that, presentations are given to the engineering and design departments based on this concept, and decisions are made on how the car will be developed. This is followed by the styling design process. Designers give shape to the car's image based on the refined automobile concept laid down during product planning. The precision of the styling design is refined by narrowing down the multiple proposals put forth by designers. The overall balance is also honed through meticulous attention paid to the car's body lines and appearance. Moreover, the latest 3D, CG and VR technologies are used in repeatedly examining the styling design in detail. Once the styling design has been finalized, the clay modeler creates a 3-dimensional model from sketches and CG and further refines the image. The clay model allows verification of the curves and proportions that are difficult to grasp from drawings and CG. And modeling continues through trial and error until the ideal shape is realized. Color designing is then carried out upon completion of the clay model. Color designers create the overall image of the product by combining Suzuki's signature colors with colors that are in trend. This is how designers, clay modelers, color designers, and engineers work in close cooperation and make adjustments in pursuing design and product excellence without making compromises. The various components are designed after finalizing the overall appearance. The shapes of components are not designed only on the overall appearance of the car, but new components are produced upon considering them from a variety of perspectives, including advanced technologies, new functions, and environmental performance in line with the car's concept. Furthermore, their precision is honed through assessments at the component or unit level, while the precision of blueprints is also improved to ensure the stable production of high-quality cars. Repeated driving tests and bench tests are carried out after finalizing the vehicle design and a prototype is made. Repeated tests are carried out on courses and testing sites, simulating harsh environments throughout the world, under a variety of road, climate, and use conditions in pursuit of reliability, safety, and durability. We also thoroughly review handling and driving performance to provide outstanding comfort to drivers and ensure an ultimate design unique to Suzuki. This is how Suzuki's automobiles are developed through repeated rigorous testing and reviewing of their performance and designs. Suzuki's automobiles are produced at 3 plants in Shizuoka Prefecture: Kosai Plant, Iwata Plant, and Sagara Plant. We also have plants overseas, including Maruti Suzuki India and Suzuki Motor Gujarat of India, and Magyar Suzuki Corporation of Hungary, producing high-quality Suzuki cars all over the world. Suzuki's automobiles are produced through the 5 processes of stamping, welding, painting, assembly, and final inspection. So, let's take a look now at the step-by-step process of car production at the factory. The stamping process involves making car body parts such as roofs, doors, and bonnets. Rolled steel sheets are cut to the dimensions of parts, and they are stamped or bent using large presses to turn them into car body parts. These individually and precisely stamped parts then move on to the welding process. Stamped parts are assembled through automatic welding in the welding process. Robots that repeat delicate and precise movements rely on the use of a high electrical current to melt and join parts, gradually putting together the car body. After welding, the body is inspected by people and machines before it moves on to the painting process. The body is given a coating of rust inhibitor and colored with paints in the painting process. The welded body is cleaned with water and chemical showers to remove all dust and oil. Next, it is submerged in a pool of rust inhibitor and subjected to a voltage of 300 volts for priming. Then it undergoes 3 coatings of intermediate coating to top coating and clear coating to create a glossy finish. Finally, it is rigorously checked by people and machines for unevenness and scratches before being conveyed to the next process of assembly. The painted body is installed with components in the assembly process. The doors are removed from the painted body to make installation easier. Interior components such as the instrument panel are installed while the body is being conveyed. The pre-assembled engine, transmission and front suspensions are installed from the underside of the body in a single step. After that, the steering wheel, seats and windscreen are installed with the utmost care. Finally, the tyres, bumpers and doors removed at the start are installed to complete the car. The assembled vehicle is conveyed to the manufacturing inspection line, where electrical components like switches are inspected, and the exterior and interior are checked meticulously for scratches. Then the vehicle moves on to the final inspection process. The functions and performance of the assembled vehicle is inspected in the final inspection. Only inspectors who have passed the stringent final inspector's test can perform this task. Inspectors carry out rigorous checks to ensure the safety and security of customers by inspecting all advanced safety equipment, brakes, headlamps, the underbody, and so on. Vehicles that pass the inspections are wrapped to prevent damage during transportation and moved to the shipment waiting area. Completed cars are then loaded onto large trailers and shipped out. This is how Suzuki's products of superior value are delivered to customers not only in Japan, but throughout the world. Since the founding of Suzuki, we have continued creating products of superior value that capture the needs of the times in a variety of fields. At the core of Suzuki's manufacturing is the philosophy of Shosho Kei Tanbi. At Suzuki, we will continue our relentless pursuit of new value through our efficient and high-quality craftsmanship as we strive to meet the needs of the times and changes in society. This will be realized by taking on the challenges of new technologies. Moving forward, we will strive to create products of superior value, unique to Suzuki.